Hello. AI Orchestra is a governance-first, low-code environment for designing, validating, and executing AI architecture. This demonstration shows a governed enterprise RAG workflow running locally with visible security controls, citations, evaluations, and architecture evidence. Here's the workflow orchestrator for the visual architecture. The solid path contains 8 executable stages: user input, input protection, document retrieval, a model agent, output protection, evaluation, and the final cited response. The Dash relational database connection is explicitly simulated. It is not opened or queried. The platform distinguishes what is executable, simulated, and future roadmap work rather than presenting everything. This right here is the execute the workflow or executing the workflow. The default showcase runs locally through Olama using Quinn 3 4B parameters. It does not require a cloud account or API key. The endpoint is restricted to this computer. I'll ask what controls protect input, retrieval, model, output, citations, credentials, and log. AI Orchestra validates the architecture, checks the input, retrieves bounded content from the committed knowledge base, invokes the approved model once, validates the structure, response, and citations, applies output protections, and then evaluates the response. From here, you can see the results and the evidence. The approved answer and citations are fully displayed separately from the diagnostics. The run evidence panel shows all 9 execution stages of the input and the output, the guardrail decisions, retrieval results, citation coverage, structural grounding, token usage, duration, model identity, and 0 external API call. It all confirms that tools, handoffs, persistence, remote tracing, and database were disabled. For exports, AI Orchestra produces 2 deterministic artifacts. The workflow JSON contains the normalized architecture and its fingerprint. The architecture assurance markdown binds the current run evidence to the exact workflow that produced, while excluding prompts, answers, credentials, raw provider data, and local machine information. For this project, we used Codex and GPT 5.6. 5.6 supported the architecture, governance model, acceptance criteria, threat analysis, provider strategy, and roadmap decisions. Codex accelerated implementation, testing, accessibility, security hardening, documentation, continuous integration, and pull request validation. Quinn 3 4B parameter powers the demonstrated local inference. GPT 5.6 was used during design and development process, but wasn't included in this build at the moment, but is on a future roadmap. So AI Orchestra demonstrates how teams can build AI systems that are not only functional, but governed, inspectable, portable, and honest about their implementation value. Thank you.